name is Carol Bent, and there's probably only about 3 rooms in the entire house that DBC has not touched. The latest and probably the last is this lovely kitchen which you see around you. And we had the floors put in, cabinets pulled out, new granite countertop. I did keep my old appliances, so at least, you know, that was somewhat less of a hassle for DBC. So they weren't worrying about appliances coming in, which I know is a problem. I first hired DBC in 2015 to do a deck project, and I think every year they've been back. Oh, how many years is that? 8? Going on 8. DBC people are wonderful. They are polite, they are clean, they clean up, they're pleasant to be around, they talk to you. Love everyone.